Gary Rog here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own tacos, but not just your own tacos. It's going to be your own taco mix to go on your tacos. Now, it's a lot cheaper, a lot tastier than buying it already made up for you at your local store or supermarket. So stay with me on this video. I'm sure you'll enjoy it thoroughly, and let's crack on. So for our taco mix, we're going to need 3 dessert spoons full of cumin, and then we're going to use teaspoons. We need paprika, 3 teaspoons full of paprika, not the smoked paprika, just the ordinary one. Then we're going to need some salt, about half a teaspoon, that'll be fine. About half a teaspoon of ground black pepper as well, and a full teaspoon full of ground garlic. Now we're going to give this a good mix together, get all these spices incorporated. Then we can prepare our chicken, cut that into sort of, I don't know, each size pieces, a bit like this. There's our taco mix, popped it in a jar. Put our chicken into a mixing bowl, like this. In you go. Then I'm going to go on with our taco mix. Spread this all over. Use as much as you feel necessary. I've used 2 quite large spoonfuls there for this amount of chicken. I've got about a pound of chicken here, and it's going to be feeding 3 to 4 people. So now I'm going to cover this with cling film nice and tightly and put that to one side to rest. So after about 30 minutes marinating, I'm going to pop the chicken into a lightly oiled pan and cook it right the way through. Now look at that, isn't that starting to look good? Does to me. And here we have our table laid out. We've got some homemade sour cream, some homemade wraps there, quite proud of those really. There's a lovely salsa there, homemade again, and there on a sizzling dish is a lovely chicken coated in that beautiful taco mix. Wow, look at that, that looks good, doesn't it? And it tastes good too. I love those flavours, they are my favourites. Now you could even have this taco mix, you could have it with pork. I mean, I did it with chicken, but you could have it with pork, you could have it with beef. Yeah, it's entirely up to you. And I've squirreled enough away to use again another day. It will last in your cupboard for a year or so because it is a dry mix after all. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Hope you've enjoyed it, and see you all again next time. Bye for now.